Liora, how did you go? This is the second time we've painted together, and the first time was Paint Blooms USA. You did a beautiful peony. Mm-hmm. How was it this time, with a couple of paintings under your belt, painted at home, and then coming back?
Well, it was definitely much easier. Things went, smoother. I still need a lot of help, but compared to the first time, it was a really much better experience, and we had so much fun with all the girls and the wonderful cooking, and it was really a fun experience.
Great. And you actually did 2 paintings in 4 days. So this get together with 7 of you was about increasing productivity. Right. You've gone on from Paint Blooms USA to the Make Money from Art USA program, which is really exciting. You've got access to the app and loads of videos, literally hundreds of videos and manuals and things like this, all information I've built up, which has launched lots of successful artists. So as you're increasing your confidence, you're also building your business, which is exciting. What I've noticed with you is that when I first met you, you did a great job, but you're probably terrified just to be a first-time painter. Mm-hmm. And this is painting number 5 or 6 for you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And this is painting number 7. So awesome job, Liora, and I'm really excited with what's to come. And tell me what your husband did when he saw that you'd painted at home. That was so cute.
Oh yeah, the first painting was in the e-lessons was a painting of tulips. So when I finally finished my tulips, he came home with a bouquet of tulips with exactly the same colors of the ones that I painted. So that was I told Jackie that she should add the title of marriage therapist to her multiple titles. That was really cute.
Well, the family's really proud of you, aren't they,
yes.
with what you're doing?
Yeah,
so nice.
Yeah, no, it's really great. It's a great program, and there's just so much educational materials that I can just drown in it, and watch over and over and over again, and and do the lessons. There's plenty to get busy.
Fantastic.
And Jackie is a great teacher, and I enjoy every minute of it.
Oh, it's been wonderful. It's been wonderful, and thanks to your family for allowing, for sharing you with us over the last 4 days. 2 paintings in 4 days.
They told me, we told you to do this years ago. Yeah, so I'm finally doing it.
That is so good. Been a pleasure, darling, and I'll be seeing you in October. We've got another 5 days together, and I've got some things for you to do in between, so it's really cool.
Good.
You'll be hearing about that this week.
Okay.
Well done.
Thank you.
After a rest, of course.
Yes.